Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. I'm here today to show you how to use the green oval sponge to bake or cook under your eyes with loose powder in just a few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by placing your sponge under the sink to make it damp, go ahead and use lukewarm to cold water and just start squeezing and rinsing your sponge until it's a little bit softer, larger, and more bouncy. Next, after you applied your concealer, go ahead and take your loose powder and just dip your sponge directly in there. Making the sponge damp is what's really going to help pick up the product, and it's also going to help make sure that you can melt the product right into your skin to achieve the fullest coverage. This sponge is great for this technique because, like you see, it has both pointed sides, so you can really get in all those hard to reach areas such as under the eyes. This is what we call baking or cooking under the eyes. It is basically just a fancy word for setting the under eye area to help prevent any concealer creasing, to help the longevity of your concealer, and just to create an overall fuller coverage. So then you want to just let the powder sit into your eyes for about 30 seconds to a minute, just really making sure that the powder is sinking into the skin and you're really absorbing all of that powder as well. Alright, and there we have it. Now your concealer is not going to move, it's not going to crease throughout the day. You have very full coverage under the eyes in just a very few easy, simple steps using the Beauty Junkies green oval sponge.